Good morning, friends. I am Professor Y.M. Hardev, presently working in Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we have seen the fluid mechanics and machinery subject under unit number 3 flow through pipes. In that we see the problems on flow through pipes. So let's start. So this is a formula for useful formula for this chapter. First is a Darcy's coefficient factor 4 FLV square upon 2GD. Next is his formula VC me. Next hydraulic radius mean deep diameter d by 4. Then sudden contraction, sudden enlargement at entrance, at bend, obstruction. Then compound pipes in series in parallel. Power transmission through pipes. OGQ H minus HF. Efficiency. So write down firstly formula and then start the examples. Write down. झालं की मला सांगा लगेच. So next, first problem, calculate the diameter discharged through pipes, diameter 200 mm, when difference of pressure head between two ends of pipes is 500 meter. Take F 0.0049. So firstly take D 200 mm converted into meter, L 500 meter, H 4 meter, F 0.009. So with the help of that calculate V. Q is equal to area into velocity. Then Q is equal to pi by 4 D square into V. So discharge is given. So discharge is equal to, with the help of that calculate the velocity. So what is the discharge? Discharge is equal to area into velocity. So Q is equal to pi by 4 D square into V. So with the help of that this formula we can calculate the this clear. So answer is meter cube per second. How to convert into LPS? Into 1000. So 29.34 liter per second. So this is a required answer. So write down. next example, a pipe diameter 25 centimeter is suddenly enlarged to a diameter 50 centimeter. The pipe carrying 350 liter per second. Find the loss of air due to expansion. So D1 25, D2 point convert into meter, D2 0.5. So with the help of that, Q is equal to 350 liter per second, 0.35. Loss of air due to expansion is Q is equal to A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 is equal to A3 V3. So Q is equal to 0.35 is equal to pi by 4 D square into V. With the help of that, calculate V1. Similarly, Q is equal to A2 V2. With the help of that, calculate V2. And due to that loss of air due to sudden expansion, calculate 1.45 V1 square minus V2 square upon 2G. So this is a required answer for 0.4575. So V1 and V2 calculate with the help of Q is equal to A1 plus A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Okay. Next example, a pipe 850 mm long carries two reservoir. Level difference of each 50 meter. Find the discharge in the pipe liter per second. If the diameter of pipe is 0.5 meter, take all losses in account. Take F 0.01. So L is equal to 850 meter, D 0.5, F 0.01, H is a 50 meter. So take total head loss, major loss plus loss of entry plus loss of exit. So 0.5 square upon 2G, V square upon 2G. So H is equal to 4 FLV square upon 2GD plus 0.5 square upon 2G plus V square upon 2G. So 50 is equal to 4 into 0.01 into 850 into V square upon 0.5 into 2 into 9.81. So with the help of that, take a common V square and adding all that. So 50 is equal to 3.5168. So V is equal to 3.77. So in problem, share that to find the discharge. So Q is equal to area into velocity. Pi by 4 D square into V, pi by 4.5 square into 3.77 is a 0.7404 meter cube per second. So 0.7404 meter cube per second is a 740.4 liter per second. So next formula, the next problem is winter 13 4 marks. A 400 mm diameter pipe 350 mm meters long carrying two reservoirs. If the diameter if the diameter if the discharge through pipe is 0.4 meter per second, find the difference in elevations of between two surfaces of water. Calculate all losses. Consider all losses and coefficient of friction is 0.006. So D is a 400 meter, D is a 0.4 meter. सो या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तुम्हाला 400 mm डायमीटर दिलेला आहे, 300 mm मीटर लेंथ दिलेली आहे. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट टेक एफ 0.006 area pi by 4 D square. So that is the area. Velocity is Q upon A. So total loss, friction loss, loss of entry, loss of exit अशा पद्धतीने दिलेलं आहे. सो 4 into 0.06 350 into 3.183 square upon 4 into 2 into 9.81 plus 0.5 into 3.13183 upon 2 into 9.81. So in this way is equal to 11.619 meter. So h is equal to 11.619 meter. Okay, write down. Hello. So h is equal to, so next is a problem is calculate the discharge through pipe diameter 200 mm when the difference of pressure head between two ends and pipe 500 meter apart is 4 meter. Take F, use formula. So D is a 200 mm, that is a meter, L is a 500 meter, HF is a 4 meter, F is a 0.009, discharge Q in pipe. So HF is equal to 4 FLV square upon 2 GD. So 4 is equal to 4 FLV square. So with the help of that V is calculated, and after that Q is equal to area into velocity. So U Q is equal to pi by 4 D square into 0.938. So with the help of that 29.34 liter per second. This is a required answer. Write down. So next problem is Winter Bara 4 marks. Find the loss of head due to friction in the pipe. Diameter 30 centimeter and length 50 meter through which water is flowing at 3 meter per second. Use Darcy's formula. Then kinematic viscosity is 0.01 Stokes. So D is a 30 centimeter, V is a 0.001 Stokes. So calculate the head loss due to friction. So HF is equal to 4 FL square upon 2 GD. Take F is a friction loss 0.001. So 4 into 0.01 into 15 into 3 square divided by 0.3 into 2 into 9.81 square. So with the help of that 3.058 meter is a required answer. Write down. So next example is summer 13, water flow horizontal pipe diameter 200 mm, velocity 3 meter per second. A solid plate diameter 150 mm place in the pipe obstruct the flow. Find the loss of it due to obstruction in the pipe is cc 0.62. So diameter is 0.2 meter, velocity 3 meter, diameter plate is 150, so cc is 0.62. So area of pipe calculated with the help of diameter. So area pi by 4 d square, area of obstruction pi by 4 d1 square. So head loss due to obstruction is a upon a minus a 1 upon cc minus 1 v square upon 2g. So with the help of that formula is, this formula is 1.32344 meter. It is a required answer. So in this way we over the this chapter is over. Okay, thank you. So next example is the find the maximum power transmitted through pipes. The hydraulic pipe 3 km long, 0.2 meter diameter, power take pressure at power is 60 bar, take F is equal to 0.075 bar. So in that problem, length is 3 kilometers, that is a 3 into 1000. The pressure is 60 bar, so 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. So P is equal to W into H. With the formula H is calculated. So friction head HF is equal to H by 3. So HF is equal to 4 FL square upon tau GD. So with the help of that V is calculated. Q is equal to area into V, pi by 4 D square into V. So 0.09366. So HF is equal to H minus HF, 611.62. So P is equal to rho GQH. So 1000 into 9.81 into 0.09366 watt. So with the help of that, power is calculated. So same example, winter 13, a pipe diameter 300 mm, length 3500, total head is 500 meter, find the maximum head. F is given. So HF is equal to H by 3, HF is 4 FL square upon tau GD, that is a V. Calculate V, V is a H minus HF, so rho GQHF. So in this way, this chapter is over. Thank you.